Greetings from Ireland. First of all, congratulations on 30 years of Christian democracy in Slovenia. We live in challenging and interesting times in Europe. It's a time for far-sighted parties and young leaders to offer vision, as well as sensible, practical policies. In the next 5 years, together with our Spitzenkandidat Manfred Weber, we can build a more prosperous Europe. One that can overcome challenges like globalization, climate change, and instability in our neighbours to the east and south. At the heart of Christian democracy is a belief in solidarity. Solidarity between people of different ages, between people living in urban and rural areas, and between countries of different sizes and circumstances. The party in the country that I lead knows the benefits of European solidarity and is determined that our friends in countries like Slovenia will continue to feel solidarity in the years ahead. So I look forward to continuing to work with you, and particularly your leader in the European People's Party, as we work to build a more united and prosperous Europe for everyone. Best wishes for a great event. Thank you.